Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to use Grindr Community Resources Hub. So let me tell you guys, Grindr provides community resources and safety information directly within the app to support its user base. These resources can be accessed through the Safety and Privacy Center, the Help Center, and specialized in in-app content initiatives. In order to access these community resources, what you're going to have to do is go to Grindr app. Then tap on your profile picture, which is at the top left corner of your screen. Now, once you tap on it, scroll down to Safety and Privacy Center. Now, this section provides information on managing your privacy, such as hiding your distance, blocking users, and reporting. The next, what you can do is access the Help Center, because the Help Center contains specific sections for community resources, LGBTQ community assistance, information on HIV or Mpox, and community guidelines. The next what you can do is access resources focused on reducing stigma, health information, and community support dialogues within the app. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video helped you. See you in my next one.